Welcome to my workshop. Hello everyone, my name is Sherry from Sherry's Digital Art. I'm just going to drop this video to show you guys how I do some of my stickers. I get my images from Creative Fabrica. I'm not very artistically inclined as to make them myself in Procreate or anything like that, so I just get them from Creative Fabrica, which is a hell of a lot easier. And I stick 6 on this sheet. I like them nice and big, 3 inches, and print them off on white sticker paper. Now I know you guys see me cutting them here, but I find it easier to do them individually as opposed to doing them like on a whole sheet and then cutting them out or anything like that. I find it's easier to control putting the laminate on. So I'll go with my first one here. I like to tape it down to the desk so that it doesn't move when I'm putting the laminate on it. I'm going to be using rainbow holographic vinyl, and I love holographic vinyls. They're so shiny. And I cut it into 6 pieces too, but right here, this is the brand I use, the type I use. Well, as soon as I get in there. They're pretty good. I order from them a lot. And so I'll take the laminate and I'll cut it into 4 different sheets too, or 4 different squares to fit over the stickers. I know this is more time consuming doing it this way, but I find it kind of relaxing, and once you get into the groove and start listening to some music and stuff, it goes quicker. But it helps me relax, so anyway, make sure there's no dust on there. You don't know how many I've put on that has hair stuck in them for my cat or something. I just tap it down on the sticker sheet to make sure it's adhered there and squeegee it off. And I like to take one of those glass cloths and burnish it down, because I find that the laminate, no matter what brand you get, the holographic laminate is very sensitive to scratching. Gotta check to make sure there's no air bubbles. And yes, I cut them all out by hand. I do sticker sheets and stuff too that I do on my Cricut, which is a pain in the ass because I find that I'm constantly recalibrating my Cricut. I don't know if it's every time they get an update or whatever, but I always end up calibrating it. And the stickers I do on Cricut aren't as big as these either. I do 6 stickers of these size stickers in every pack that I sell. They're a good size, and they have different colored laminates on. This one is a holographic rainbow. And this is from my new sticker pack that I put out. It's a summer beachy one. So yeah. The ones I do on Cricut are like the little 4x6 or whatever sticker sheets. These ones are great big stickers. Some of these stickers I find would be better on a clear background, like a clear sticker sheet. But the only thing you can really use them on is coffee mugs and white water jugs and stuff like that. So, because I find they really don't show up on anything else unless it's really, really light background. But these ones you can stick on anything. I don't have a summer one yet, so I decided to do a beachy one. Creative Fabrica has a lot of really nice designs if you guys don't know what it is. It's a site for clip art and designs and stuff like that for all different kind of things like laser printers and embroidery and all kinds of stuff. But I use the clip art, as you can see, to make stickers because I have a sticker shop. So, and this is like the first video I've put out of me making stuff. It's kind of awkward. I know my son recommended or asked me or told me that I should do some YouTube videos of me making stuff. So I thought I'd give it a try. I've made YouTube videos before. They're like relaxation ones, you know, river running and stuff like that. But I've never made any of me actually doing anything. Oh, air bubble. Oh, these pen weeders. I don't know if you guys haven't seen these before, but these pen weeders are awesome. You get like a pack of 3 on Amazon for less than $10, and it's like holding a pen. They're really good. You got to get some. They're just pen, like PEN weeders. I find they're really good for just regular vinyl. But the holographic vinyls and stuff, I find they're a little more tougher, and you need the dental tools for them. But for stickers and stuff, I just use it to burst any little bubbles or whatever. So I haven't made a little pack of these ones yet. So this is one of the designs that would look really good on a clear background, and you can put it on a coffee mug or something like that. I often decided whether or not I should do half of them in a clear background and half of them in just white, but I don't know if people would like a half and half sticker pack, if that would go over well. Off camera, I tried to put on some of the laminate, and I grabbed a sheet, but I had already put a used one down on top of everything. So I tried for like 5 minutes to take the laminate off this already used background. Oh my god, I thought I'd spare you guys that. I know you're laughing, but I know you've all done it at least once. I do it more than once though, because I always put it back on the same pile. You'd think I'd learn, but no. I'd love to have one of these vans. I don't know if I'd be much of a surfer though. Too afraid of sharks. I like putting, I buy the felt to put on the tips of my squeegees because, like I said, these laminate sheets are so sensitive to scratching. Even rubbing it with this glass cloth, you can still see some scratches on it and everything. Very sensitive. I like doing this freeform cutting. It's not like cutting circles or anything where it's so tedious and you have to be right on the line. This one you can sort of ad-lib it. I often wonder if I should make them smaller, but I don't know. Some people like small stickers to put on planners and stuff, and then other people like the big ones to put on coffee cups and water bottles and stuff. This is another one that would look really good with a clear background, like a clear vinyl background to put on a coffee cup or something. I don't know if I should make a half and half sticker pack. I don't know. I like this one. It's kind of girly. And it's so easy cutting out the free-form ones. You don't have to stay inside lines or anything. This is a really cool pair of scissors I got too. It's made for cutting sticky vinyls and stickers and stuff. I got it from Michael's. I forget the name of it, but it's a really nice pair of scissors that has like a sticker, like a non-stick blade on it, or scissor blades on it. So the gunk doesn't build up on it as much. Alright, now that's all of 6. And this is what they look like. Yeah, I really like that felt on that. Okay, so this is my summer beach sticker pack. Now, I use cellophane bags. I know, don't get mad at me because I'm polluting the planet. But they're cheap as chips and they fit and it does the job. And you can fit them in envelopes pretty good too, so I use the cello pack and try not to bend them or anything. I run off little tags on cardstocks and I use them for toppers for my stickers, and gives it a more, professional look. And I put a hole punch in them because I have like a pegboard that I put them on when I'm done making a pack so that I have some in advance for when I sell them. So that's a completed pack of 6 stickers, and they're all pretty big. Here's a couple other ones that I've got on the go here. Oh, my bows. This is my nautical sticker pack, and it's got the stained glass holographic laminate on it. These ones are harder to cut out because they're a circle, but they're worth it because they're really pretty stickers. So I might as well get that done while I'm sitting here. This seems to be very popular. The nautical stickers, a lot of people like them. And these are the little cards I just run off on the computer and cut them out. They're just on regular cardstock. Oh, where's that roller? That roller is great. And I had to get a longer stapler too because I only had a little mini one. Alright, hole punching, and I just take a guess. They're probably all crooked. Alright, so there is that one done. I like to make a couple of packs in advance just so I have them on the rack in case I get a lot of orders for them. Now, this is my newest pack. It's Pastel Goth. Ah, aren't they cute? Huh. I like the little coffin and the little, I guess it's a bunny or something. I think they're sweet. And they're done, they have the rainbow holographic laminate on them too. So. And this is one of my, it's called Coquette. I think that's how you pronounce it. Girly girly, pink girly girly stuff. And these are all done on a clear vinyl, so when you take them up, they're very see-through and don't really show up unless you put them on a white coffee mug or something. But they're sweet designs. Very girly. I like the bow. It's nice. They go really good on a coffee cup or a water bottle. See? Cute little pack. Okay, so I have a crap ton of extra stickers. I like to give out freebies with my packs, just as a little thank you. And I have so many extras. You know, packs that you run off and you screw up a couple of them, but all of these are still pretty good stickers, and I got a ton of them. So I usually like to pick out 2 or 3. Something like that. Pink donuts. Huh. This is my one of my aliens with the sparkle star glitter. Freaking awesome. There's another one of those pastel goth ones and another. Honeybee gnomes. They're cute. Black cat. This is a 3D one. It's supposed to be on a tumbler, but I thought it'd make a great sticker. That's one of the stickers I made. The Fearfully and Wonderfully Made lion. That's a really nice one. Carnage. But I'm not allowed to sell Carnage because it's copyrighted. So I ran some off for a little cousin or something like that, and I ran a couple extras off to keep them and give them away. Now I got to pick out a couple stickers so I can give them as a freebie. So that's my lips and tongue. Here's my Bigfoot. One of my Bigfoots anyway, and a couple little kitties. The kitties are in clear vinyl, so they'll go really good on a coffee cup. And again, I'm packaging them in wasteful plastic or cellophane, whatever it is. And I give them out as freebies in the pack. And all I do is I use I take a regular cardstock. It's pre-folded. It's a pre-folded card that you make greeting cards or something. And I put them in. I would usually put in a card, or I have the QR codes that I put on it too. And then just package them and address them and send them off. Regular mail. So, glad you have it. Thanks for watching.